What if I told you there could be an amazing leaf in your backyard that makes a tea to help with some illnesses? While you're looking for solutions at pharmacies and doctors, nature has a home remedy that a lot of folks might miss. Holy basil tea, also known as tulsi tea. Holy basil, tulsi in Sanskrit, tulsi in Hindi, is an adaptogenic herb that helps the body manage stress, fight infections, and address various health conditions. This sacred plant has been a cornerstone of traditional Indian medicine systems like Ayurveda and Siddha for millennia, prized for its therapeutic properties. Today, we're going to explore the 10 surprising health benefits of holy basil tea. Additionally, at the end of the video, we'll share the best way to prepare your tea so you can enjoy all its benefits. Is holy basil tea effective in preventing and treating diseases? Or is it just another internet myth? Is it safe for everyone to consume it? Or are there certain groups that should be careful? Curious? Then don't delay and watch the video now. But first, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's make this the most liked video on the channel ever. Have you already consumed holy basil tea in your daily life? What part of the world are you from? After you've watched the video, drop a comment below so we can get to know each other better. Now, let's look at the 10 diseases that can be treated with its use, based on evidence. 1. Promotes wound healing. A 2014 study suggests that holy basil may aid in wound healing due to its beneficial properties, antibacterial effects, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory benefits, and analgesic properties that help alleviate pain. However, further research is needed to confirm these findings. It's also essential to follow the guidance of a healthcare professional when treating any wound. If you're experiencing either of these conditions, we'll show you how to prepare this beneficial tea at the end of the video. 2. Lower your blood sugar. If you're dealing with pre-diabetes or type 2 diabetes, using different parts of the holy basil plant might help. A study that was randomized, placebo-controlled, and single-blind suggests that holy basil may help with diabetes. In this study, patients with non-insulin-dependent diabetes saw drops in their fasting blood sugar after meals, urine blood sugar, and overall cholesterol levels while they were being treated. 3. Relieves fever. Holy basil helps combat fever through its antimicrobial and immune-boosting properties. Its leaves contain compounds that fight bacteria and viruses, supporting the body's natural fever response to infection. This traditional fever remedy has been validated by its long-standing use in Ayurvedic medicine. 4. Improves respiratory disorders. Holy basil aids respiratory health through its active compounds camphene, eugenol, and cineol. These substances help relieve congestion and ease breathing difficulties. Research confirms its anti-asthmatic properties, supporting its traditional use in Ayurvedic medicine for respiratory conditions. 5. Relieves headaches. Holy basil has emerged as a trusted natural remedy for headache and migraine relief in Ayurvedic medicine. Clinical research supports this traditional use, showing that holy basil's anti-inflammatory properties help alleviate pain by reducing inflammation and sinus pressure. The herb's adaptogenic qualities also play a crucial role in combating stress-induced tension headaches by helping the body manage stress more effectively and relaxing tense muscles. For those seeking natural headache relief, holy basil can be accessed in multiple forms. A soothing cup of tulsi tea provides a traditional method of consumption, allowing the herb's beneficial compounds to work systemically through the body. Alternatively, Holy basil essential oil can be diffused in the air or diluted and applied topically, offering a more direct approach to tension relief. Both methods harness the herb's therapeutic properties while providing a gentle, natural alternative to conventional headache treatments. 6. Oral health. We all know that oral health is extremely important. Tulsi can help fight bacteria in your mouth, which may prevent dental problems like cavities, plaque, tartar, and bad breath. It acts as a natural mouth freshener and cleanser because the compounds in the leaves promote a healthy oral microbiome by eliminating bacteria and germs in your mouth. Using an herbal mouthwash with basil leaf extract twice a day can help reduce plaque and lower the risk of developing gingivitis. Tulsi may also help reduce mouth ulcers, and some studies suggest it might inhibit the growth of oral cancer cells. For natural dental care, consider adding a drop of Tulsi essential oil to your toothpaste or enjoy a cup of Tulsi tea each day. 7. Helps fight cancer. Research suggests that people who regularly enjoy Tulsi might have a stronger immune system and may be less likely to develop certain cancer cells. A study published in the journal Nutrition and Cancer indicates that the phytochemicals in Tulsi, like eugenol, rosmarinic acid, apigenin, myrotanil, luteolin, beta-sitosterol, and carnosic acid, could help prevent lung, liver, oral, and skin cancers caused by chemicals. This is thought to be due to the herb's anti-carcinogenic and antioxidant properties, which can change healthy gene expressions, promote cancer cell death, inhibit the growth of blood vessels that feed cancer cells, and prevent cancer from spreading to other organs. 8. Supports heart health. Adding Tulsi or holy basil tea to your meals can be a great way to help protect your heart. Research in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology shows that holy basil leaves have anti-inflammatory benefits that can reduce the risk of heart disease. Tulsi can help lower cholesterol levels, which is important for heart health. Before we continue, I've got some exciting news to share. If you want to get more engaged, I'm excited to inform you that we now offer channel membership. As a member, you'll pay a small monthly fee and unlock some amazing perks like early access to new videos, priority replies to your comments, members-only shorts, polls, quizzes, and special emojis and loyalty badges just for you. It's a fantastic way to support the channel and connect with us even more. Just click the join button and let's make this experience even better together. 9. Fights skin infections and acne. Holy basil is a fantastic natural remedy for fighting skin infections and acne. It has antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and pain-relieving properties, making it super helpful for dealing with breakouts and skin irritations. This herb is thought to support skin health both from the inside and out. The main active ingredient in holy basil oil is eugenol, which is also found in clove oil, known for its antimicrobial benefits. Plus, holy basil has other helpful compounds like gamma-caryophyllene and methyl-eugenol. 10. Stress and anxiety management. Holy basil, an adaptogenic herb, contains several elements that might help lessen mental stress caused by physical, environmental, and emotional factors. It may directly affect cortisol levels in the blood, aiding in balancing the adrenal glands and lowering excess cortisol. What are the side effects of holy basil tea? Holy basil tea is generally safe for regular consumption. However, some side effects may include nausea, vomiting, indigestion, and changes in hormone levels, particularly with long-term use. While holy basil may help you feel more relaxed, it is not a sedative and does not typically cause drowsiness. For optimal safety, it's advisable to use this herb for about 6 weeks at a time before taking a break. Key precautions. Blood clotting. Holy basil may affect blood clotting, which could heighten the risk of bruising and bleeding if used with medications that also reduce clotting ability, such as aspirin, clopidogrel, dalteparin, enoxaparin, heparin, ticlopidine, and warfarin. Discontinue the use of holy basil at least 2 weeks before any scheduled surgery to avoid complications. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals should avoid holy basil unless under direct supervision from a healthcare professional, as it could potentially cause complications during these periods. If you have a severe allergic reaction to holy basil or any of its components, parts, or ingredients, you should avoid this herb. How to make holy basil tea, tulsi tea. Making tulsi tea is super easy. Ingredients: 2 cups of water, 20 tulsi leaves, and honey. In a saucepan, add 2 cups of water and 20 tulsi leaves. Bring to a boil and let simmer for 5 minutes. Turn off the heat, cover, and let steep for 10 minutes. Strain the liquid and serve either hot or chilled. Optional, add a touch of honey if desired. Did you know about these benefits of holy basil tea? What benefits surprised you the most? Share your experiences, questions, and tips in the comments. Let's build a community of knowledge about this powerful ingredient together. If you found this video helpful, please type yes in the comments below. I also encourage you to check out these 2 videos we selected especially for you. Thanks for watching.